How to add credit or debit card in Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of account. Once you're in the account page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on that. With that, you'll land to the account settings page. Now here you'll find the option of wallet. Click on that. From here, you can easily add debit or credit card in your Walmart app. Go ahead and select the option of credit or debit card. Now go ahead and provide the details. Type in your card number, then type in the expiration date, type in the CVV, then type in your first name, last name and the phone number. Also provide the billing address, street address, app or suites, city, state, zip code, and after you provide all the details, you can click on Save Card. If you want to set this card details as the default one, check in for the option of Set as Default Card and then click on Save Card. With that, your payment method will be updated in Walmart app. So this is how you can easily add debit or credit card in Walmart app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.